you'll find 15 acres of RVs at Wyoming's best dealer, Sonny's RVs. Here's one now.
Hi, my name's Laura, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Four Winds made by Thor, model number 24F. Let's check it out.
Be sure to subscribe. You'll be the first to know when new videos are available here at Sonny's RVs of Casper. For one of the largest collections of new and used RVs in Wyoming, look no further than Sonny's RVs. Sales, service, parts, they're all here under one roof at Sonny's RVs.